Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Welcome into our home. It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and him from Patricia's Art Emporium. We're going to try to squeeze this painting in before the possibility of losing electricity because it's starting to thunder and lightning out. So what we're using here is an 11 by 17.
Oh.
No? What is this?
I think it's 11 by 14, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know.
I think so.
We should have been better prepared for this, guys.
It's 11 by 14. I wouldn't kid you.
11 by 14? Okay.
Yeah, 11 by 14.
Okay. It's an 11 by 14 canvas that we're going to cover with white paint. Right, Johnny?
Yeah, white paint with silicone.
Pour in the middle?
I guess, or all around the whole thing, wherever you want to go. It's your world. You and Bob Ross.
They still show his shell.
Really? Let's
Yeah.
see.
Okay, you want to just do that with it?
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, I got some over the place. Now you can do your little. I was just helping you out. Don't get it too thin. No, keep it nice and thick. Beautiful.
What?
Nothing.
Why are you doing?
I was rotating it for you. Want me going making the noise?
Yeah.
Huh, I don't know. Can I make noises?
To scare me?
Trying to scare you.
Well, I figured you were doing
Did
it
you get
because I was
scared?
doing something wrong.
No. How can you do something wrong in painting? Some of the best ones come out when you do something wrong. I think that's good. Beautiful.
I don't know why this moves around all the time lately.
Because I used to put a little sticky tape on the bottom of the thumbtacks and it would stick here, and I can't find the end on the roll with the sticky tape. It's
Oh,
stuck.
why did you tell me? I would have done it. Okay, John, you can do the honors of pouring the...
We're doing the swipe anyhow. I don't know.
Oh, sorry, no.
Did you mention that at all?
No, I didn't.
They didn't mention that, huh? We're gonna do a black and white swipe. I'll let you do your finger work while I. Oh, it's like frosting.
Want to
Bet you
try
that-
some?
No. You think it's good like frosting?
Probably not. I'm not a big frosting fan, though,
I don't
so...
know, but I am.
I know you are.
Can you tell? Buttercream frosting, Eddie's Bakery in Sony, Connecticut.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna try putting a little black up here.
How come you're not here?
So nobody can see me.
Nobody can see you, can they? I don't want to be seen either. Maybe you should put the same down there so it's even on both ends.
Okay,
You think? So it looks like it's meant
because you're
to
gonna probably do it back. You're gonna probably swipe one way and go back again, right?
be. Yeah, I guess.
That's what we've been doing. Well, I like that. It looks nice just like that. Did you wet that at all?
Nope. I'm going
Okay.
to.
You slide this over a bit so we don't swipe and let it run on the floor.
Oh, we've been known to do that.
And then let me just make a little adjustment here. There we go.
Okay.
Are you gonna do
Want me to swipe one way?
a sweeping swipe, or are you gonna do a
I don't know. You want?
a wavy swipe? Or
I don't know. What do you want to do? Speak to me. It's our
it's up to you.
masterpiece. You want to do it first? You want me to do it first? And you
I'll do it
the
first, you
second
do
one?
it second. How's that?
Oh, okay. Maybe we won't need to do a second.
What are you talking about? I don't think we do need to do a second. Do we?
I don't know.
I think it looks
there's a lot of
nice up
white
there.
there. It's up to you. What do you say?
I think it looks pretty interesting.
You don't want to do just maybe there?
No, then it'll look like that. This way it looks different.
Okay.
What do you think?
Perfect. You want to do the sides with it or no?
Yeah, let's just do the sides with it. Okay.
We don't want to get it.
You don't want to drip it on it, just on the... Did you get it?
Some of it, not all of
Let me
it.
see.
You can leave white
I
when
could.
it's the same, right?
Okay, rotate it around. Don't want to do that side. That side looks pretty nice. I think we leave it like that. What do you think?
Okay. It's fine.
Nice is all pure white. This is running down the edge here, looking good. That's pretty neat. I didn't even get any paint on my gloves.
You didn't?
No.
Wow, that was good.
No.
Cool. I think that's pretty nice. Something different for us.
Looks like a snake. So what do you think?
Probably later we'll have to paint that white again. See how it's not, doesn't look very covered. But hold on. Let me just get this again before it makes a mess. Okay, I think it's cool. Hopefully it dries and cool as it looks now. Okay guys, that's it for today. This was a nice quick one. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell.
Oh, I have the bell here, sorry. Ding ding.
To be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is Patty and him doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye. Okay, this is the finished product. It's put a little face on it. So that's it for today. Bye-bye.